Hi guys, Tamalayo143 here, and I'm back with another unboxing video of the actual Tamagotchi meets magical version, the salmon color. Alright, so actually it's my friend's Tamagotchi meets. She ordered this one from me, and she wanted me to check it first before sending it to her. So I already cut the tape. This one was already opened, or the condition was already like this when I received it. So now I just sliced the tape here and then the tape here. Now let's go ahead and carefully open the box, because I really don't want to damage this one. I don't want to disappoint my friend. Okay, I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm trying to fight a cold here. So I just arrived yesterday from a very long land trip, so that's why. So here it is. Ta-da! Wow, wow, so I like it so much. Just like the others, here's the manual. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it first while I cut the tapes here. I don't want to damage again the actual packaging. Alright, so just one moment. Alright, so I'm back. Whew. It took me almost 5 minutes to cut the tapes here. I was just trying to avoid or make minimal damage, or up to no damage, to the actual packaging. So here it is. Ta-da! The pink magical meats. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Look at the glitters. Wow. Wow. Okay. So there it is. Let me just take the I really don't want to touch the screen as much as possible, so I'll just open this up here real quick, because she wants me to try a battery. Try it with batteries. Okay, here it is. Alright, no damage. Okay, so here it is. I'll put it here. So I have not touched the screen. Just put the batteries here. These are freshly charged batteries. There you go. Wow. This is so majestic, so magical again. Alright, so the buttons are very responsive and clicky. So it seems like it's working properly. Now I really don't want to dig in further. I don't want to set this up, because I want my friend to set it up herself. She really just want me to check it first if everything is working perfectly fine. And yeah, it seems like everything is working perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna put it back. I'm just gonna put it back in the box, and I will pack it now. Alright, thank you, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for now. Bye!